In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-send survey responses to multiple users via email. Google Forms. Start by opening the Google form that you want to monitor. This is the form where people submit survey answers, registrations, or any kind of response. Once the form is open, look near the top of the page and click the Responses tab. This area is where Google Forms organizes everything that has been submitted, and it is also where you control response-related settings. In the Responses section, go to the top right corner of that Responses panel and click the 3 vertical dots icon. This opens a small menu with extra options. From that menu, select Get Email Notifications for new responses. After you turn this on, the account that owns the form will receive an email each time someone submits a new response. This is helpful if you want immediate awareness without constantly refreshing the form. Now, to send these notifications to multiple people, you will share the form with them so they can also enable notifications on their own accounts. Go to the top right of the form and click the Share icon. A sharing window will appear where you can invite other users. In the field provided, enter the email addresses of the people who need access. Be careful to add the correct addresses, since this controls who can view and manage your form. Before you send the invitation, change their access level to Editor. Editor access is important because it allows them to open the Responses tab and turn on email notifications for themselves. If they are only viewers, they may not have the tools needed to manage response alerts. Once you have added everyone and confirmed they are set as editors, click Send. They will receive an invitation to access the form. After they accept, each person should open the form, go to the Responses tab, click the 3 dots menu, and enable email notifications for new responses on their own account. This way, multiple users can receive automatic email alerts as new responses come in. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.